Alright everybody, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. Today we've got something really neat that came by way of Sugoi Mart. Go to S-U-G-O-I-M-A-R-T, Sugoi Mart. They've got some really neat stuff there, and they supplied number 4000 and a few other varieties, so check this out. This is a teeny tiny little, look next to my big frickin' head. Whoa. Actually, oh, I put it away. But yeah, this is like 170 mils of water. This is Chanpon the Sky, and this is for Japan Airlines. So you could have one of these cup noodles, and they are made by Nissan for JAL. Pretty neat. And what's neat too is, there's one. Let's see if I can get it so you can see. The Kamaboko have little airplanes on them. Here we go. Let's see if you can see that. Can you see that? Whoa. See? Little airplane. There we go. So let's put some of the boiling water in the wee little cup. There we go. Hey, no mess. You can almost close that thing. That's pretty impressive. 3 minutes. So what is happening? Boy, it's been an interesting weekend. I know in the last episode you saw me fiddling around with a computer. Well, the guy who gave it to me, as soon as I fixed it, he wanted it back. So that kind of sucked, but whatever. Anyway, so that was a downer. I spent like 12-15 hours on that. I was like, okay. I'm a little raw about it, but you know, I'll get over it. Anyways, I was gonna let Mimi have it to type on. But anyways, what did we do this weekend? We got the oil changed for the car. And when we go to get our cars and get service for them, because so we've got a lease. My wife's always gotten leases. Obviously, I don't drive. But the thing's in my name because I've got better credit, I guess. I don't know why. But, wow! Did you eat all your cheese? Come on, cheese lady. Here is your beverage. Say hi to nice people.
Hi.
Guess what? Mimi gets to go to school in 15 days. Ooh. There you go. Oh. Here. There you go. You did good. You did good. But yeah. Oh yeah, so we got our card, or the oil changed, and it's like the guy took down her number to send her the text when it was done. Guess who gets the text? Me. I wasn't even looking at my phone. Luckily, we stopped at Starbucks and I looked at it and I was like, oh, but it was fun because I used to live nearby there, and that's when I started my whole interest in walking with a Fitbit. And there's a 99 Ranch by there. There's a Buhan Market, which is another Asian grocery. There's the Indonesian grocery. Oh yeah, that's right. I told Kit, yeah, I'm gonna be plugging that place left and right this week. It's called Warung Jajanan, and it's in Edmonds on 99. A fella named Jonathan and his wife, and I want to say her name is Nira. They run the place, and the food that comes out of there is spectacular, folks. If you want Indonesian food, if you want like rendang or mie goreng or nasi goreng, that's the place to go, bar none. That place is rad. Just saying, and you'll hear me say it again. She was like, "Are you reviewing a bunch of Indonesian varieties this week?" I'm like, "Nope, I don't think I'm reviewing anything from Indonesia this week." But I'll tell you what, I'm gonna talk up dude's shop. But what does that have to do if you're? Yeah, I'm probably doing a bunch of Japanese ones, maybe some Taiwanese. Yeah, but what does that have to do with those? Nothing. I just like his store. He's a cool dude. All right, Chanpon to Sky. Let's see. Look at that. So I'm flying in business class, and I'm about to have my Chanpon to Sky. Itadakimasu. Wow. The noodle's nice. It's, you know, it's very soft. This broth, though. Wow. I wish I just had a wee little soup spoon, but. There's a little kamaboko. Some veg in there. That's good. So this is the smallest bowl that I have. It should fit in here, I hope. Whoa! Slow your roll, not too fast. Yeah, it fits. I want you to be able to, in the glamour shots, to be able to see the little airplanes on the kamaboko. That's pretty neat. There's another one. Very fancy. The idea for the cup noodle was born of flight, actually. Momofuku Endo, he found that people were breaking up noodle blocks and put them in foam coffee cups. So it was like, well, let's take that step out of it and just do it for them. So that's how the cup noodle was born. Other people invented it. That tiny little bowl of noodles. Come on. Yeah, if you want to get this, you can go over to Sugoi Mart, or you can take you go on Price is Right and win yourself a trip to Japan. Wouldn't that be rad? But there's no more Bob Barker. They didn't renew his contract forever, so. Well. Rotate, Rotato. Do it to it. Uh-oh. Thanks for watching the first one of the week, at least for where I'm at. It's Monday morning. The next one is going to be this big, beefy sucker. This is First Love beef noodles, made in Taiwan for the Hong Kong market. This is burly stuff. I'm really curious about it. So with that, it's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.